All right, let's go face the world. What's up and good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Hopefully, hold on. Now you can hear me. And yes, I know a mask does not seal that great when you got facial hair. Now, if any of you guys have ever hung around me for an extended period of time, you'll have seen that there's a lot of weird stuff that I do because I am, for one, a giant germaphobe. I've decided, you know what, we should probably step up our level of protection we got going on. Especially considering today we're gonna go hang out with a couple of the boys from the Navy when the Navy's already got a few cases in town, so let's just like keep everybody safe and healthy. And let's take a second to talk about the ineffectiveness of like PPE and stuff like this if you're not gonna properly use it. I saw a picture today that a buddy posted of a guy holding a cigarette out his window with gloves on during like this whole epidemic, which like, yeah, you're gonna use those gloves to touch everything that you think is gross, then put it on the part of the cigarette that's gonna then go in your mouth. Makes no sense. One of the main reasons for this outfit though, I want to see Wes's reaction. So while we wait for the guys to show up, I forgot to show you guys one of these signs that I made the other day. Hold on, I'll probably show it a little bit better there when you can see the background, but been playing around with the plasma cutter a little bit more. Like I said, we're getting a lot better at it. This one's obviously got some rust on it from my fingerprints touching it, but I think if we can figure out how to scale this up, these would make some really, really cool wall art designs. So dude, I'm gonna need you to stay 6 feet back. Rich, stay 6 feet back. Hey man, I thought Wes was gonna be my first reaction.
Oh, he is. He's coming around the back. He's got all the important parts.
All right. I heard it was a 2 Civic delivery day.
100%. We felt like high school kids today.
This is why you should always own a truck.
Well, I mean, I wish I still had mine.
Yeah, so hold on. Sad day, should we sit a little moment of silence?
Rest in peace to the LBZ.
Yeah, Rich's nice, beautiful LBZ. Took a turn for the worse.
And it's totaled.
And it's totaled.
Totaled.
I'm sure you guys follow him on Instagram, so you've probably seen @Stanson_Rich64. 54, so close enough. 6 feet back, 6 feet, 6 feet there.
Is this what I'm doing?
Rich, what are you talking about? What?
Might end up buying the BBB?
Yeah, 100 grand, it's yours.
That Navy pay, man. That's the thing.
So many pieces.
2 guys, 2 Civics right here, delivery. So, obviously, you can tell by some of the parts coming in, Wes's lift kit has returned from Swift powder coating. You can see that in the sun. Woo! Dude, that looks way better than I thought it was gonna look. Dude, that's like sparkly.
Yeah, I like it a lot. I might steal it from us.
Now that, no joke. Dude, that looks way better than that, even that chip did. That's like almost bass boat sparkle right there.
Honestly, I thought it was gonna be a little lighter, and I'm glad it turned out dark.
6 feet.
6 feet.
6 feet. Don't scratch it, bro. You know Wes will flip out.
Shit, I would flip out.
Dude, that looks really good.
Yeah.
Dude, that sparkle's so sick. Like, I'm kind of jealous right now. I don't know if we could do that with copper, if you can make that like sparkle effect on it, but I really like that. What do we got in Civic number 2?
Oh, we got oil splatter on the door.
You still haven't washed this thing, bro? I get it's your beater, but you should still wash it.
I wash it maybe once a year.
Oh, we got the big stuff back here. This is the heavy hauling Civic. Yeah. Look at that hitch, dude. That hitch turned out sick.
You guys see it, we'll pull it out right now.
Don't scratch it, don't let the door hit it. Oh! Now seeing it, are we happy we did the hitch?
Yeah, I'm happy, but it's like I said, my truck's a piece of shit.
Not anymore.
Now my powder coat looks better than my paint.
So obviously, on Wes's truck here, we've got all the little faceplates of Cognito are done in black. Killer contrast. I think we need black rivets. Even if you gotta leave them off till we get some on Amazon. Black rivets. It is crazy how seeing this inside the shop light versus seeing it outside, like the amount of sparkle you lose just being indoors. When this thing's in the sun, it is absolutely insane how sparkly it is. Got the black zinc coated U-bolts. Pretty much everything bolt-wise on the truck was getting black zinc coated instead of powder coating. Yeah, Rich is looking at new trucks.
It's got kryptonite upper control arms and tie rod
forces. Did they upgrade the brake lines?
2214. See, that's the thing I need to verify.
Well, it doesn't matter. Just do it if you do it.
Yeah, either way, you know, I recommend anybody on the channel that lifts their truck, braided line for your brake lines. Please, God. Because that's what happened to me. They lifted my truck. They didn't replace the brake lines with braided brake line. I had too much pressure in the brake line, and I hit a bump at the same time, most likely. Cracked the brake line. Next thing you know, I'm missing a wheel.
Well, lost all brakes, hit a car. Wheel fell off.
Came down on one at like 30 miles an hour.
But hey, you survived. That's good news.
And my airbags didn't deploy. I don't know if that's a lawsuit right there.
Those look good, dude. It looks sick seeing all the machining marks on there too. On the what? The machining marks that you can see on the face of it. Oh, flat. 6 feet, Sergio. We're maintaining 6 foot. Sergio's got some black rivets over here. That might be the right size. Can I go check and see if this will work? And if so, can we borrow like 6 of them?
Sure.
All right, let me go check real quick. Got a black rivet, buddy. There it is.
As long as it doesn't do with me having to touch the paint, because I ain't want to scratch it.
Hey, 6 foot. 6 foot. 6 foot. 6 foot. There you go. Yeah, it's surprisingly further than you think. So the other day, Wes went ahead and installed his whole new steering rack in there. Now we're getting the upper control arms dialed in, ready to go. Beautiful. Ready to go. You didn't want to put any vinyl underneath it?
Nah. See over here, when you get it right the first time.
Yeah, I think that was a good call, Wes. I think going with the red instead of the gray. Is that the right way?
Nah.
I mean, I see you brought your new mechanic, Rich. He's gonna do the full install for you today?
Yeah, he's gonna get it done for us.
Cheap. Real cheap.
Hold down. You're gonna wipe all the powder coat down.
I fucking knew it. I told you wipe all the grease off the bolts. That was my idea.
All right, you come up with the idea, it means you gotta do it.
I'll do it, but he said no at first.
Well, now he likes your idea. You should feel proud. Rich, you're doing a great job, buddy. Great job.
You could set those down. I didn't think this was gonna be.
There you go, there you go. Yeah, get your workout in. Gyms are closed. There you go. You're invaluable today, Rich.
You gotta have a clean truck
I respect that.
to work on it and put back together this nice powder coat.
Right? Yeah, there's a Ford outside when you're done. If you want to just keep going, I won't stop you, okay?
All right, sounds good.
I think we should just leave the Milwaukee light in there. The black and the red contrast, new rock lights. And you don't got to worry about Bryant's switch turning yours on. So the upper arm is on. They're going to be now sliding the coilover back into place. Coilover's back in, reservoir going on. So this is a good lesson in like contrast. A bunch of people have been talking about doing that coil itself red as well. But you want to break things up. You don't want to have too much red underneath there, especially if he's doing a red and black theme. You want to be able to have not quite 50-50 red black, but you want to have a good amount of black accents in there. So the coil looks really good keeping it black.
So to the top, through the top.
I'm giving you a lot of credit right now for teaching him and not attacking him.
No, I love Rich, man. He's my protege.
I'm telling you.
Look at that smile. Man,
He
just made Rich
cares.
stay.
He wants to learn. Bryant just wants his shit back together
For free.
for free, and his lifter replaced.
Doing a great job, buddy.
Can't put this on fresh powder coat.
Just too much exposure, too many people congregating today. We need to take a step back.
Rich got it?
Yeah, we don't need you, dude. We got Rich
I
now.
can leave now.
So,
What's up, Rhino?
I heard your truck's running great now.
Yeah, runs well.
There you go. Wes got everything put back together, got the new lifter in, everything's good.
Everything's good.
Hey, he's actually like teaching Rich.
He's not yelling at him?
I've taught Bryant before. That's the problem. Bryant,
Oh, whatever, dude.
He was a lot happier today until you showed up.
Probably because the powder.
The powder looks good, dude.
I know, I saw it.
Get it.
Rich, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing, man?
Standing around there.
Jeez. Hey, watch out. Jeez.
Did you put your truck back together?
Yeah.
Now we got the big pieces coming in, cross members. Damn, bro, you gonna work? I thought you were supervising.
Gotta get dirty. Hey,
what side did the washer go on?
You start yelling at me, I'm
Hey.
gonna put Rich over here.
You're about to lift this up to put that bolt in. Why would you put the nut on?
Sure.
Hey,
fit.
Rich, get your ass over here. What are you sitting around for?
I have a job right now. Thank you. I like Wesley's truck to look nice, all right?
You gonna wash it for him before shows now? He's gonna have a show quality lift kit. We need to wash the truck now for shows.
See, I'm deprived because I don't have mine, so it's probably the only chance I got.
Rich is right there if you need some real muscle, Brian. Ooh, that looks good, boys. Great work, guys. Great work. Teamwork.
Yeah.
Now we got the lower control arm going on here.
I don't know if you want to get that on video.
Uh-oh. So, Wes picked up some new ones. Since Wes is going to be redoing his whole lift kit, he's running brand new hub assemblies from Moog, the official steering and suspension of NASCAR. Are we allowed to say that without paying rights? I don't know. But there's a brand new hub. Hey, can you be quiet? I'm trying to film over here.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, there's the brand new hub. Fire! Oh. Spindle's going in. CV's getting bolted in. Got the CV spacer there. Got it. You didn't bring none of us Red Bulls?
No one asked.
Oh,
Oh, now we have to ask. So, Brian's over here getting the impact bars put on. This is what everybody mistakes as the torsion bars on my truck. If you notice, I switched over to coilover. So on my truck, I no longer have the torsion bars, I just have the impact bars, which are these right here. And yes, I know they don't match the Ultimate Air Ride in the rear. We were supposed to send them pre-SEMA to Ultimate Air Ride to have them match the angles of where everything mounts up to the truck, but we just ran out of time, and then it's just never been something that's been on my priority list. So while they're inside working, me and Brian are gonna see how this thing goes on. Oh, there we go. Looking good, buddy, looking good.
You look good?
It looks sick. It's clean. Not too much. Eventually we might end up backlighting it or putting some color match plate behind it. That way it shows the work for it even better. Obviously, if you're running a 2500, you need this grill open, but being that he's running a 2500 conversion on his 1500, we could just really seal this up if we wanted, but I'd like to leave it open for some airflow. Oh yeah. That bad boy is solid. Hold this behind it. Let's see what it would look like with some white.
Oh yeah.
Looks rad. Our first successful CNC plasma piece.
Yeah. Came out pretty good.
Hey, thanks for being my test dummy, buddy.
Hey, no problem.
All right, pull it back off. I need
Anytime.
it back.
Yeah.
Oh.
Damn, but now I have to buy it?
Here's the other one.
Hold on, bring it over. Bring it. Apparently, we all missed this one. You don't like to.
No, we didn't miss it. We joked about it, and y'all didn't stop me.
I didn't see it. I didn't watch when you did this.
You said you were joking.
Dude, you were filming that.
Well, I mean, that don't mean I'm paying attention to what's going on. It's just a little mirrored. If you take a selfie with it, it'll be the right direction.
Second time's a charm.
There we go. Looks a lot better.
Is it in? God damn
Is it
it. God damn it. I knew as soon as I
Did you feel it? Brian, is it in?
You're probably used to that, aren't you?
Oh my God.
Sway bar's getting fished through right there. Now you got nice powder coat. You got to worry about scratching stuff. You got that, buddy?
Yeah, you see how nice it looks?
Yeah, great work, man.
That almost went bad.
Good to go? Good to go?
Took a little time.
We signed off on the front. We work our way now, working on the back.
It wasn't as fast as I'd like it.
Yeah, they're learning. You know, you got to teach them.
All right, jack it up.
Great jack, man.
Double.
Oh, dude, you're good at double jacking?
Yeah.
Come on, Rich.
Y'all are too young for this.
Oh, shit.
Got the wheels going on. She's about ready to be set on the ground.
Hand tight, right?
Yeah, hand tight, hand tight. What could go wrong? Well, they tighten as you drive, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Last piece of powder coat, the crown jewel, the whole hitch assembly.
Said the wrenches too.
Sorry, so just...
Scratch nothing.
I'm not at a good angle, though.
Classy. Subtle but classy touch right there. I like
You need
it.
to retighten this stuff.
I like it. Teamwork, boys.
I hate it. My forearms are numb when I was doing mine.
So these are the stabilizer bars that go on the Gen Y hitch.
Alright, there we go.
All right, there she goes. First time on the ground. Everything good so far? Nothing's falling off? Look at that. All right, I'm calling it right now, boys. Calling it right now. There you go, boys. You already earned this, buddy. There you go. There you go, buddy.
I don't deserve it.
No, you earned it, dude.
Not yet.
I mean, you gotta wash it, but Rich is gonna wash it for you.
Yeah, I'm a little deprived.
Let's see if she starts.
Stand back, boys.
Just get off the brakes and just go straight back.
Dang, man. Wes got a lot of faith in you, Rich. How do you feel now?
Confident. I'm his protege.
Hey, you won't do a burnout.
You know who Wesley is?
Yeah, that's his marks right there from the last time.
Yeah, that's somebody who will kill me, you know? I respect him.
Nah, he's fine.
He's busy. He won't even know.
Damn, dog, you broke my shit.
truck is all buttoned up. I can't wait to get this thing actually into some sunlight and get some nice shots of it when it's clean as well. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that way you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best.
Roll the outro.
Damn.